Windows 10 has its own built-in store where you can buy and download applications much as you would on a phone or tablet. It seems that plenty of our viewers and readers aren't sure about how to remove these applications, especially ones that Windows has pre-installed. While Windows Store apps can't be deleted directly through File Explorer, they are actually very easy to get rid of if you don't want them. The simplest and most intuitive way to uninstall Microsoft Store apps is directly from the Windows 10 Start menu. All you have to do is open your Start menu and then scroll down the list of installed applications and find the app that you never want to see again. Right-click on it, click Uninstall, and that's it. You'll never be bothered by that pesky Windows Store app again. You should note that some applications, such as Microsoft Edge, don't have the Uninstall button. Applications like these are considered to be core to Windows, and you're blocked from uninstalling them. The next easiest method to uninstalling Microsoft Store apps is by doing it through your Windows settings. To access settings, press the Windows key and I together. From this screen, click on the Apps tile. This will take you to a page that, if you scroll down, has a long list of all the applications installed on your PC. There's also a search field, so you can easily filter and find the applications you may be looking for. You can also sort apps by the installation disk, name, size, or installation date. Clicking on any application in this list will unveil the Move and Uninstall buttons for it. The Uninstall button will, unsurprisingly, start the uninstallation process for the respective application. If you want to know a little bit more about Windows Store apps and how they're different from other apps, check out the article linked in the description below. See you next time.